How much does it cost to build a website for a small business? Your website is your storefront, and it makes sense to invest in a professional web design company to build one. On average, a small business will spend around $2,000 to $10,000 on a website. The complexity of the site and its features will affect the cost of building one. 7 factors influencing your small business's web design costs. When it comes to small business web design costs, you have several cost factors, and many are essential. For example, your website design costs will almost always include these 7 factors. 1. Domain name, 95 cents, $20 per year. A domain is like your street address. For instance, apple.com is the tech giant's domain name. Generally, you'll purchase a domain name identical to your company name. There are a number of companies that sell domain names. You can browse their offerings and purchase a domain from them. I recommend GoDaddy or Google Domains. 2. Website hosting, $24 to $2,500 per year. Website hosting is the online power company that enables you to run a website. Website hosting prices vary widely, ranging from $24 to $2,400 per year. Most small websites use shared hosting instead of dedicated servers, which costs around $24 to $120 per year. Shared hosting costs less, which often is enough for small sites because they require fewer resources. Instead of owning a server, your company will share it with several other websites. A dedicated server is a type of web hosting in which a client has the exclusive use of an entire server. The average cost to rent a small business dedicated server is $100 to $200 per month. 3. SSL certificate, $0 to $1,500/year. A secure sockets layer (SSL) certificate protects your website and its visitors' data. An SSL certificate is essential for businesses to keep their customers and data secure. It acts as a trust signal that will motivate users to complete their purchase or send an email. In some cases, your hosting company will offer an SSL certificate for free. If not, this can cost up to $1,500 annually. 4. Design, $200 to $10,000. Design is a cost factor that affects many aspects of a small business's web design. Some clients prefer a simple and no-fuss look, while others require more complex designs. In addition, you'll likely need multiple designs or templates, like for the following pages: home page, product or service page, contact page. That's why design costs can range from $200 to $10,000. When meeting with a web design agency, ask about their design costs. This will help you build a realistic budget for your project. 5. Number of pages, $1,000 to $5,000. Websites range in size. Web design agencies typically charge various prices for the number of pages needed. A good example would be the 1 to 10 page one price. 11 to 20 pages a higher price, and so on the higher you need. The more pages, the more design time that is needed. While an e-commerce store may have over 100 pages, a service-based business may have less than 10. This means that the development of those pages takes time. Each product page has its own design template. The team needs to upload and copy the same content as well as test the pages. These tasks take time, which is why e-commerce websites with more pages cost more. 6. Functionality, $2,000 to $25,000. As a small business, your web development costs will vary depending on the complexity of your project and the size of your business. One thing that most small businesses don't have is a robust payment system. A good web design company will have plenty of features and options that can help you grow your business. Even if you provide services like landscaping, plumbing, or home maintenance, it's worthwhile to offer online payments. Even if you don't provide specific services, it's still worth offering online payments if you do. Talk to a professional web design company like GBN Web Development about your small business website design cost. We can help you determine which type of website design solution would work best for your company. 7. CMS, $2,000 to $25,000. A CMS is a type of software that enables businesses to build websites without coding knowledge. It works seamlessly across various platforms like WordPress. A CMS is a powerful tool that enables you to easily modify and update your website. It lets you do this without requiring an existing developer. Depending on the complexity of your project and the amount of customization that goes into it, your CMS will cost more or less. Generally, if your team spends more time customizing it, it makes sense that it will cost more. How much does DIY web design versus professional web design cost? The cost of creating a website for a small business varies depending on whether they build it themselves or hire a professional web design agency. A website builder can seem like a cost-effective option, but there are some downsides, including: you must do all the work to launch a website successfully. You must learn how to maintain and troubleshoot issues. You may spend up to $0 to $300 to create a site with a website builder, but it's also going to take your time to learn how to use it and implement key elements of web design. You also have to know mobile design, web speed, search engine optimization, calls to action, design trends, hosting, and many more things that make a big difference in the effectiveness of your website. The question you must ask is, do I have the time? A good web design company can help you create a website that is both attractive and functional. We are a website design agency. We are much more. To round up, we are easily accessible. As a matter of fact, you can reach us by clicking here. Consult us for your affordable website solutions today. Our reputation has given us 4.8 out of 5 stars on Google Reviews. Read our reviews. GBN is based out of Madison, Illinois. But we service companies all across the United States at an affordable rate.